To make it easier to find affordable tools and parts, I've created a simple online store for each of my projects. In my store, you'll find a variety of recommended tools and products for each project that I hope will make it easier to find the materials you need to get started on your project. In this tutorial, learn how to make a protective leather electronic key cover. A printable PDF pattern for this project can be downloaded at fisherworkshops.com. Subscribe to Fisher Workshop's YouTube channel to get our latest video releases. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button to receive notifications for new videos. Please help spread the art of leathercraft by sharing Fisher Workshop's tutorials online. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and thank you for watching. To begin, I'm going to fix a piece of 5-ounce leather to a piece of 2.5-ounce leather lining with contact cement. Cut off any excess leather from the edges. Place the pattern template onto the leather piece and mark the center and set the circular cutter to the correct depth. Continue to cut out the center tab with the cutter. Use a scratch awl and a coin to trace a round edge to the corners and cut. Sand any uneven areas down with a sanding stick. Use a stitching groover to mark a stitching line along the edges. Use a size 1 or 2 edge beveler to bevel all the edges of the leather piece. Use a stitching chisel to punch stitching holes along the stitching lines we marked earlier. To protect my stitching tools from getting damaged, I placed a plastic board or thick piece of scrap leather under my key cover. Clamp your project into a stitching horse and stitch together as illustrated. Gently pat down the stitches with a mallet or cobbler's hammer. Apply a little water or edge gum to protect the edges and burnish with a wood slicker. Punch holes where the D-ring will be fixed to the key cover. When you're finished, fold the leather in half and fix the electronic key into the cover. I drive a Mazda, so I needed to use a D-ring 2.5 centimeters wide. Depending on the thickness of your electronic key, you may need to use a thinner or wider D-ring. This key cover can also be used to fit regular keys. Become a patron member of Fisher Workshops to receive great discounts, perks, and opportunities to win some of my handmade goods. To learn more, please visit my Patreon page listed here and in the description below. With your support, let's continue to make it possible to bring great leathercraft content to YouTube. Visit my new Facebook group, The Art of Leathercraft, and get to know the leathercrafting community.